Hello kids, today I will teach a U sound word and this is the last vowel. U says A, T says ta, ata, at, family. C says ka, U says a, T says ta, kata, cut, cut means katna. H says ha, U says a, T says ta, hata, hut, hut means झोपड़ी. N says na, U says a, T says ta, nata, nut, nut means मूंगफली. G says ga, U says a, T says ta, gata, gut, gut means आंत. Next family, U says a, N says na, ana, unfamily. G says ga, U says a, N says na, gana, gun, gun means बंदूक. S says sa, U says a, N says na, sana, sun, sun means सूरज. F says fa, U says a, N says na, fana, fun, fun means masti. R says ra, U says a, N says na, rana, run, run means दौड़ना. Next family, U says a, G says ga, aga, ag family. R says ra, U says a, G says ga, raga, rag, rag means dari. J says ja, U says a, G says ga, jaga, jug, jug means jug. M says ma, U says a, G says ga, maga, mug, mug means milk mug. B says ba, U says a, G says ga, baga, bug, bug means खटमल. Thank you for watching.